This is Carl of Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this is my stone cold lock of the century. Or the week. Oh, ye of little faith. Just one short month ago, the so-called experts were trashing my beloved Giants, declaring their season dead just cause they dropped a couple, 2-3 games in utter disgrace. Okay, it was 4 or 5, 6 if you count the Bears game, which I don't. Look, it's a rough stretch, sure, but I, for one, never doubted the Big Blue Wrecking Crew. And for those of you saying, Carl, I saw you wearing Jets green a few weeks ago, you are delusional. I merely passed out in the yard and got green grass stains on my G-Men tank top and on my G-Man #1 foam finger and on my straight hand fat head in the rest of my living room wall. So maybe you need to shut that hot dog hole of yours before it gets stapled shut for saying something you don't know nothing about. Now, the Dallas Cowpokes are riding into town this Sunday with Opie calling in the plays for the 1,000-year-old gargoyle mummy that sits in the owner's box. And sure, Dallas may appear to have a better offense with a better turnover differential and a better overall win-loss record, but are you going to fall into that old trap of analyzing all the statistics, or are you going to look at the facts? Losing has been confidence playing all along. Think about it. Everybody knows the G-Men are road warriors, so they were obviously tanking just enough games to give the Eagles the division so they can lock up their traditional home away from home field advantage for the playoffs. It's a shrewd move, too. That extra wildcard game is always good for getting dudes healthy. And travel to new places is fun and exciting. It energizes a team. Plus, G-Men focus when they know that each of their last 14 games of the season are must-win games. There was never any doubt. You know that the New York Football Giants are Carl's stone cold lock of the century.